Welcome back to Total DIY. In today's video, I will show you how to make an aloe vera and neem soap, a natural remedy for pimples, acne, and blemishes. This soap is packed with antibacterial and healing property to give you clear, glowing skin. Let's get started. First, I will prepare our aloe vera and neem juice. Aloe vera has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, while neem is powerful antibacterial and antifungal ingredient that fight acne. Cut one large aloe vera leaf and soak in water for 10 to 15 minutes to remove the yellowish substance called latex. This prevents skin irritation. Now, remove the spines along the edges, then dice the aloe vera into small cubes. Place the diced aloe vera into a plate. Then, pluck some neem leaves and place them on this aloe vera plate. Now transfer everything into a blender. Add 1 tablespoon of rose water for extra hydration. Blend until smooth. Strain the mixture using a cheesecloth to extract a fine juice. Set it aside for later. Now let's melt our glycerine soap base, a gentle and hydrating soap base for our soup. Cut 550 grams of glycerine soap base into small cubes. Place them in a heat resistant or stainless steel cup like this one you are seeing on the screen. Melt them using a double boiler on medium heat. Stir them occasionally. Now that our soap base is fully melted, it is time to add our powerful ingredients. Remove the melted soap base from the heat. Now add 3 tablespoons of our neem and aloe vera juice. Cut and add 3 vitamin A capsules to nourish and protect the skin. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Finally, let's pour our soup into our mold and let it set. Carefully pour the soap mixture into your mold and let it sit for 6 hours until fully hardened. Now let's unmold them. And there we have our aloe vera and neem soup. It is natural, refreshing, and packed with acne fighting benefits. Use this daily to reduce pimples, blemishes, and keep your skin clear and smooth. If you love this DIY, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Total DIY for more amazing skincare recipes. Drop a comment if you'll be trying this soap and let me know your result. See you in the next video. Bye.